I'm about to start my least favorite thing in the garden, which is thinning. So these are radishes. Okay, so here's a little grouping. Looks like there's three. Looks like there's three of them. So I'm definitely pulling this one. I'm pulling very gently and very slowly. And that leaves two. I'm just kind of gonna wiggle my finger in between the two. It's gonna rain tonight, so I'm trying to give them a little bit of space so I don't have to pick that many. This one's in good shape. This one's in good shape. This one's in good shape. These guys are too crowded. So I'm looking again. There's 1, 2, 4 there. So these two definitely too close together. But even though this is the bigger of the two, I'm going to pull this one. Again, trying very slowly. There we go. The reason I pulled that one is these two are not so close that they won't grow into decent radishes, especially if I want to pick young. This is good. I'll pull that one out. These two are pretty close together. Again, I'm going to try a little bit of a wiggle. Move them apart. I'll water these in. Here's another grouping. Think about this a little bit. I think I'll pull this one. Again, pulling very slowly and away from the ones that I'm still going to leave. And I think these have enough room here that maybe I'll wiggle in here and see if I can kind of give a little bit more room. There we go. So this is probably a marigold. So anyway, that's a little bit about how I thin. And I thin to pick multiple times. And of course, I will wash those off and eat those after I shut off the camera.